washing just goes around the car. That's nice to give you a towel.
That's the first time that happened, huh, Papa?
What?
So that's the first time that happened.
What?
Somebody gives you a towel from
yeah.
the car wash. That's
Oh,
pretty.
we want to look at the map.
There you go. Last 2 pages. The last page is the downtown. The second page to last is the city.
Back on Martin Luther King Boulevard. We can make a right on that and make the first left that will take us right into Beale Street. Martin Luther King is here, Beale Street is here. Martin Luther King goes back that way, if I'm not mistaken.
I did. Don't close it. Don't close it.
Tell me if you get a picture of that.
I like going through car washes. It's not my fault.